Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A prudent farmer had spread a net over his cornfield to catch the crows who like to dig up his newly planted seeds. One day a hawk, pursuing a pigeon, flew so swiftly over the farmer's cornfield that before he knew it, he found himself caught in the snare. The farmer, observing the hawk struggling in the net, went over to the captured bird of prey. The farmer, observing the hawk struggling in the net, went over to the captured bird of prey. "This is all a mistake," said the hawk as the farmer approached. "This is all a mistake," said the hawk as the farmer approached. "I was just chasing a pigeon, and the wretched bird flew right over your field. I was not going to do a bit of harm to you. Believe me, sir." "That may be true," replied the farmer, "but unless you tell me just what harm did the pigeon do to you, I am afraid I am going to have to wring your neck." The name of the story, The Hawk and the Farmer. The moral, hypocrisy is the cloak of villainy. The second story. Once there was a wise farmer whose quarrelsome family drove him almost to distraction. He strove in vain to reconcile his bickering sons with words of good counsel. Then one day he called his sons to his room. Before him lay a bundle of sticks which he had tied together to form a faggot. Each one of his sons in turn was commanded by the farmer to take up the faggot and break it in two. They all tried, but tried in vain. Then untying the bundle, the father gave them the sticks to break them one by one. This, of course, they did with the greatest ease. Then said the father, "My sons, by this example you all can see that as long as you remain united, you are a match for all your enemies. But once you quarrel and become separated, then you are destroyed." The name of the story, The Bundle of Sticks. A moral, in union there is strength. Now our daily motivational quote. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Helen Keller. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.